Welcome, fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Buckle up and stay tuned until the very end as we take you on an extraordinary sandblasting adventure. Let's dive in and discover the true artistry of Coanda's revolutionary technology. Introducing the Coanda Sandblaster, a cutting-edge, high-tech tool exclusively designed for professionals like you. This revolutionary sandblaster takes woodworking to new heights, transforming ordinary wood into masterpieces with unmatched precision and finesse. Curious to learn more about the groundbreaking Coanda Sandblaster? Check out the description below for an in-depth look at this cutting-edge sandblaster that's revolutionizing the world of woodworking. If you're as passionate about creating stunning woodwork as I am, hit that subscribe button now. Your support means the world to me, and I'm grateful for each and every one of you. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's unleash the full potential of our woodworking skills.